Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at solving quadratic equations by graphing and by using square roots. So we're going to start by what are the solutions of each equation of x squared equals 0, x squared plus 1 equals 0, and x squared minus 1 equals 0. So we're going to begin by making a t-chart and substituting in some values. I always like to use 0, 1, and -1. When we plug each value in for x, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and -1 squared is 1. We go ahead and commence with graphing. We're going to plot our coordinates. As you can see, we want to look at where does the parabola cross the x-axis. Wherever the parabola crosses the x-axis is the solution. So as you can see, this only crosses one time. It just touches the x-axis and it touches it at 0. So this has one solution and the solution is at 0. For the next one, we're going to plug in again 0, 1, and -1. But here, when we have 0, when it's 0 squared becomes 0, we are still adding 1, so our y now becomes 1. We plug in 1, we get 2 for y. We plug in -1, we get 2. We go and graph these, and as you can see, when I graph these coordinates, I don't touch the x-axis at all, which means this has no solutions. It does not touch. For the x squared minus 1, we're going to go ahead and plug in the 0, 1, and -1 again, just to test where it's at. And as you can see, this will actually cross the x-axis at 2 points. It'll cross it at both +1 and at -1. So this has two solutions. The solutions being 1 and -1. Now let's take a look at solving using square roots. Here we have the equation 2x squared minus 50 equals 0. We're going to want to get the x by itself, so we're going to move everything else away. We're going to do the additive inverse of the -50, which is adding 50 to both sides. We're left with 2x squared equals 50. Then we're going to do the multiplicative inverse of the 2, so we're going to divide both sides by 2, and we get x squared equals 25. Now, to get rid of that square, we need to do the square root. If we square root both sides, we want to see what numbers multiply to equal 25. Well, we have 5 times 5 equals 25, but you also have to remember we also have -5 times -5 will also equal 25. So here we have two solutions, positive and -5. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Please subscribe. Have a great day.